once again, we are back, and let me introduce you to FIGONIA. Yes, y'all. This is FIGONIA, and she is a fig tree. Yes, y'all see her, and she is a Violet de Bordeaux fig. So she is a purple fig, y'all. Look at her. Look, isn't she just, look. And she has a little bit of growth on her, y'all. So I will definitely take you along with the process of FIGONIA. Yes, y'all, remember her name. It's FIGONIA. Yes, and yes. So we are going to get FIGONIA acquainted to the homestead, the garden, whatever you want to call it. And she's going to meet Oliver. I know y'all met Oliver just the other day. She's going to meet Karina, Cherry, and where's Lo? And Lo. Yes. So here she is. I'm going to let you guys come with me as we learn a little more about FIGONIA and what she does and how she produces and what she needs to grow. Yes, and hopefully we don't kill her. So y'all, we're gonna get FIGONIA acquainted with the other trees in the garden. Thank y'all so much for watching. For those who don't know, my name is SalonDivaV, and I share videos in my salon, sometimes in my garden, and I show you guys organization. Yes, say that a couple of times. Organization and just a little home decor. So y'all, don't forget to hit that like button, share me with your family and your friends, and until I see you guys in the next video, you know what it is. Peace.